It's a 3-bed 2-bath property, but the first thing that strikes you when you come in, I mean, the whole property, gardens, interior, have been totally and utterly refurbished and all to the highest quality. So you've got this wonderful terracing area all the way around. It's literally been redecorated as well, so they've done a total refurbishment and then redecorated the whole property. So this is the front garden. Privacy, discretion, everything really is priority to the owners here. So the exterior walls, you can see absolutely immaculate, opaque pedestrian entrance gate, and then over onto my right hand side you've got an electric double gate, again totally opaque, so when you're coming down the street you can't see anything that's actually behind these walls. Now, key to a lot of our kind of owners at the moment is they come with big motorhomes and camper vans. Well, the previous owner of this property had one of those, and you can see huge vaulted double carport here that easily houses, I mean, there's 2 cars at the moment and a quad bike, but you can easily get a motorhome in here. I mean, you can see with this that, you know, most people have these lovely carports and stuff and it's just pea shingle, but the very expensive tile terrace continues all the way underneath the carport, so you can glide a great big motorhome up here no problem, and it's perfectly safe and secure. And even in this, which, you know, really is the utility part of the garden, you can see the quality of the exterior walling and everything. Just a little shot from that end, but you can see this is a very vaulted ceiling, so it's very easy to get a car and a motorhome underneath here for private and secure off-street parking. Out into the back garden now. I mean, this is geared up, low maintenance, privacy, for entertaining. Now, the owners asked me to point out, you know, as I say, this isn't officially on the market, but he's got lots of stuff at the moment. The decorators have literally just finished, so there's lots of stuff that's in storage in various areas. I'll point that out as I go along, but of course that'll all be removed. Gorgeous terrace that runs all along the pool. You've got a little storage shed tucked away in the corner over there. Lovely backdrop. This stunning wooden pergola, very expensive bit of kit, and then that leads straight onto a huge glazed conservatory winter room, and there's a door access point here from this side and also on the other side back out into the garden, and this feeds straight into a central hallway, which we'll see when we do the interior. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm getting battered here by beautiful bird song. So you can see gorgeous wooden pergola come dining area with a Spanish barbecue just off to the side of that. You're totally private here, you know, in an oasis essentially. All new stone chip has been put down, and again, just panning round here, you know, there isn't a crack, there isn't a bit of paint peeling off the outside walls. So the storage shed there, the plants are on a kind of irrigation timer system. A little pan round from this side for you. Sorry, I'm just trying to avoid the car number plate there. You've got solar panels up here, so lots of free hot water, an extendable awning that comes out there over a barbecue. So you can see now down, if you like, the right hand side of the villa. So the left hand side is all parking. This is a very large utility corridor. Again, this has mainly been kind of tiled terrace, but there's a metal or plastic store shed hidden away there, and then it ends at kind of lockable security, wrought iron security gates and a fence. Beautiful blue skies, but getting a wee bit breezy, so I hope that isn't being picked up too much by the microphone, but I'll just do a little pan around from this end. What a beautiful outside space and entertaining area. Now, this is in the Los Carrascos community. You're within an easy walk of 2 popular bar restaurants, just 3 minutes from Arboleas centre for you, those of you who know the area. Just want to highlight quickly before we have a look on the inside, you know, the quality of this patio and terracing. This isn't your kind of cheap tiles by any means, you know, no expense has been spared on this. Back to the frontage again where I started, just so you can have a look from this side. Back on into the back garden, so you can access that from either side of the property. And also the conservatory, there's a door from the left and a door from the right. Let's go and have a wander around the inside. So moving on into the interior, and as I mentioned at the beginning, the decorators have literally just gone, so lots of stuff is in places it shouldn't be for storage purposes, but we move back fairly shortly. So I've come straight into the conservatory, I suppose essentially the back door. What a beautiful room, dining area. You could easily get some couches and sofas as well out here, so a great entertaining area in the winter months. And this kind of wraps around. There's some kind of appliances and stuff that shouldn't be there that are going to be moved. You can see door access out to my right there into the garden. So this leads straight into a central hallway. Now, as we get into the interior, what you've got to appreciate is not only has this been redecorated, it has been literally newly tiled throughout with this beautiful, very high quality neutral tile scheme. All the interior doors have been replaced with top spec white wood doors. So over there you get the master bedroom with an ensuite, doorway straight into the lounge, and then there's two more double bedrooms which we'll have a look at in a second. Let's start with the master. So good sized room, you've got double door access out to a lovely little private terrace, full bank of fitted wardrobes, all air conditioning units, top spec Mitsubishi inverters, so hot and cold, but they've all just been newly added. You've got a ceiling fan in this room as well. Bedroom over there immediately opposite. Newly installed ensuite bathroom, you've got sunken spots in here, beautiful double shower, very, very fancy kind of mirror above the sink. This has got a demister, God knows what controls on it, but literally this is fresh out of the box and looks amazing. Immediately next door to that is the main family bathroom, which has got a full bath. Shower, you can see they're wall mounted. Both of the bathrooms, I didn't point out in the last one, they've got these top spec towel heaters, and wow, sometimes what a bonus they can be. It's been kind of styled in the same fashion as the ensuite, but you've got a hydrojet bath in this one as opposed to a kind of double shower. First guest bedroom, so bedroom number 2. Again, air conditioning, ceiling fan. Now this is a lovely point on here, you'll see in a second. Yes, you've got the fitted wardrobes as would be expected, but you've also got this newly added interior sliding door, which makes the family bathroom kind of almost like a Jack and Jill bathroom. Very discreet, and what a nice feature to have. Now the third bedroom, again, it's an equal size to this one. It is full up with personal storage and stuff like that, so I can really show you. It's over here, identical, again, fitted wardrobes. I'm not going to film inside that because at the moment it's filled up with lots of boxes and stuff that will be moved back into place as soon as the refurbishment has been 100% completed. So coming on into the living room, diner, and wow, what a beautiful room. Open plan kitchen. Now this is 20K's worth of kitchen here. You've got top spec induction hob there and an extractor fan that rises out. That's double thickness siltstone. Worktops and kickboards all around. Top spec Siemens oven. You've got all the swanky cupboards. I'll show you one in a minute, you know, one of the special larder cupboards where all the racks pull out. Self-closing drawers. And it goes right round the corner here to a big utility area. I don't know if you can see, beautiful light fittings, but a load of sunken spots with colour changes on them. So you can create a fantastic mood in the kitchen as well, depending on how you're feeling. Now, just to illustrate the lovely kind of larder cupboard which pulls straight out, giving easy access. So back out into the living dining room, and as you saw, you've got a second dining table out in the conservatory, ample room for another one out in the garden. This is a top spec pellet burner inserted in the corner over there. Again, Mitsubishi air conditioning units, top spec ceiling fan. Just an absolutely beautifully appointed property. I mean, it's in a lovely location. And it was a very nice house before, but it's now been brought up into current age and just done in a fabulous way. Can't fault it. Got some steel pics as well, so I'll send them over later.